Hi guys, welcome to my channel Psychic Soul Tarot. My name is Jyoti. This reading is for Virgos. This is going to be a love reading, Virgos. We'll see what are your person's current feelings towards you, what are your feelings towards them, mutual energies, next action, etc. etc. Okay, so let's see what do we have in store for my Virgos. Guys, please keep in mind that this is a general reading. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. Okay, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. And this is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. If you are a cross watcher, you can always reverse the energies. Okay, so let's see what messages do we have for my Virgos. We'll see what messages do we have for my Virgos. Okay, your person, Virgos, this person is missing you. Oh my god, this person is missing you so much. They cannot control anymore, Virgos. This person is crazy for you. We have the Queen of Cups in reverse. Over emotional, guys. Whoever you are dealing with, Virgos, this person is over emotional right now. Or you may feel that this person is somebody who is emotionally unavailable to you sometimes. Okay, it's like I do see mixed energies. At times they are there for you, but at times you may feel that this person is emotionally unavailable for you. Let's see what are the current energies for you. We have the Hangman in reverse, Seven of Cups in reverse. I don't know, I feel that you're dealing with somebody, Virgos, where you feel that your person and you both are complete opposites. Okay, it's like you are north, they are south, or they are north, you are south. You know, you could be dealing with somebody, they're complete opposites. Okay, you both are, it's like you expect something else, they do something else, or they expect something else and you do something else. So I do see two opposite personalities. Okay, it could be that you both are opposites. This person is in this place, guys, where they are missing you a lot, but at the same time they don't want to take any action towards you. This person does dream about you a lot, whoever you are dealing with. So let's see what are the next. We have the Devil. This person is somebody who may have given you a tough time in the past. Okay, I see that some of you, you're dealing with someone who may have given you a tough time in the past, because I see a devil energy here. Okay, this person has made you go through a lot. Okay, you've done a lot for this person. You feel that you have invested so much, and what have you got? So some of you, I think you are dealing with a complete toxic person. Now this is not for all of you, but yes, some of you, I feel that you are in a toxic relationship. You feel that this person is very controlling. This person is somebody who may always think about themselves, or this person was like this before in the past. They always thought about themselves first, not about you. You were not their priority. Now this person realizes what they have done. Okay, this person does, or this person could be somebody who was always emotionally unavailable. Okay, you always felt that this person was using you. It could be financially, or this person was only attracted to you physically, but they were not available emotionally. That could also be the thing for some of you. Yes, we have the King of Swords here. You may be dealing with somebody who gets angry fast. Okay, this person is somebody who gets angry fast, or you know, it is like they are the kind of person they want everything their way, okay? That kind of nature, they want everything their way. Now whatever it is guys, this person, as far as their current feelings are concerned, they are missing you, they are missing all the good times that they have had with you. This person knows that you have loved them like a mother or a father, like you have literally loved them that much, okay? And this person knows that, this person feels that you are a very divine and pure soul. This person feels that you are a very divine soul, very pure soul, but there's something that's holding them to take action towards you, that kind of energy. What are they thinking about you right now? Three of Pentacles. Maybe a third partner is involved. In some cases this person could be juggling you with somebody else, okay? I do see a third partner involved. Maybe this person is, I'm going to clarify 6 of, yeah, some of you, I feel now I've understood why you feel, now I understand why you feel that you have done so much and you have not got enough. I don't know, now this is not for all of you. Some of you, I feel that your partner is involved with a third party and they love them more over you and they want them, okay? I am going to be honest, but yeah, you are definitely dealing with somebody who is toxic. I don't think, yeah, let me go more deeper and then I'll say further. But as far as I feel that this person knows that they are doing wrong to you, they have been emotionally unavailable to you. That is because this person was emotionally available to somebody else, okay? This person certainly has a third partner involved in their life. 10 of Wands. This person feels guilty for doing all that. That is why they are in this energy where they regret. I feel that your partner regrets hurting you or cheating on you. They regret that they have not done enough for you in the past, okay? But at the same time, this person, I don't see them taking any action so early towards you. Let's see. See, 7 of Swords. This person is hiding a lot, guys. This person is hiding many things from you. Some of you, I think, maybe your intuition is strong and you know that your person hides a lot or they lie a lot. This person is certainly cheating on you, you know, they lie, they cheat. You're dealing with a complete narcissist. I'm sure about it. I don't know why. Okay, Virgos, I don't know. I feel that some of you are dealing with a complete toxic person. I don't know, this could be anybody, but yeah, I don't see them being loyal to you, okay? It's like this is an ongoing process. I don't think you should trust. Look at this, 5 of Swords, 7 of Swords. This person is like, maybe they just don't care about you, Virgos, okay? This person is somebody who doesn't care how you feel, who doesn't care, they don't, I said na, I get this word, emotionally unavailable. You are dealing with somebody who is emotionally unavailable. They don't care whether it hurts, they don't care whether you are in pain, they don't care. They are just not there when you need them. Simple. That is what I get here, okay? So let me see. Next action, the next action. 6 of Cups. This person will come back to you, no doubt, okay? This person is going to come, talk to you, meet you. In some cases, they will try to reconcile. Let me see, clarify. 4 of Cups. But I feel that this person, since they are emotionally unavailable, Virgos, this person, in spite of being with you, they may think about somebody else. Okay, they may be with you, but in spite of being with you, this person may end up thinking about somebody else. And this person, I do see them in a state of confusion. What should I do next? This person is going to give a very serious thought soon. Whether should they go forward with you or should they choose the third partner. See, this person feels, you know, this person knows that you have done a lot for this person and nobody can love them the way you have loved them. That is for sure, okay? This person thinks about all the good times that you may have had in the past with each other. There are a lot of memories. They think a lot. So as far as their current feelings are concerned, this person is highly emotional about you. but yes, they were not loyal to you in the past. They may have cheated, lied, or whatever. But I think this person regrets, and more than regrets, they are emotional about you to some extent. Okay, this person knows that you have done a lot for them, and that is what is keeping them glued to you even now. This person is like, they want to, sometimes they do feel like moving away with a third party, but then there's something that's making them stay back. Okay, and that is the things that you have done for this person in the past, the efforts that you may have put in this relationship in the past. This person is confused, in short. Okay, let's see how are you feeling towards this person. What is this? Seven of Pentacles. See, this person knows that you have done so much for them. You have done so much for them. This is the only thing that's keeping them glued to you even now. So let's see what are your current feelings. Virgos. Okay, Two of Cups. You are so emotional about this person, guys. Oh my God. Ace of Cups. You love this person. They are your wish fulfillment. They are everything. You feel that this person doesn't reciprocate the same. Maybe you have given them a lot. You know, you have been there for them throughout. Okay, so you have invested a lot, but I don't feel that this person has done the same for you, and you know it. You feel that they don't show that love, even if they do, even if they love you, but then they don't show. God, some of you, I think, just a sec, I've got two more cards. Seven of Wands, Eight of Wands. See, you are in this place where you will go to any extent to be with this person. Some of you, I think you are going to call or talk to this person, and you want to meet and solve this, whatever it is. Yeah, you feel that. I feel that you want to sort this out. You want to sit and talk to your partner. You want to discuss about the future. Some of you are almost thinking of going back to this person. You want to message them, you want to call them. Okay, if you are in a no contact situation, but I do see that you want to talk and sort this out. You cannot live also without this person. See, we have the Hierophant over here. I feel that guys, some of you, I think, for some of you, I feel that there is a new person in your life. Okay, maybe you are sent an option, Virgos. You have two people in your life right now, and you're confused between both of them. Okay, now this could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Saggy. These energies are prominent here. Maybe you have two options, Virgos. Okay, I do see two options for you. Page of Swords in reverse. Magician. I feel that some of you are confused between two people. I don't see confusion, and you have two options, Virgos, but in spite of all of that, you still want this person. Okay, you're still manifesting this person. Forget about want. You want this person. You have two options. Maybe the other person loves you more, but still you want this person. That is the energy that I get here. And you are not willing to give up on this person so easily. Okay, I do see you chasing this person, Virgos. Oh, you are keeping a constant watch on them. I do see that. Maybe you are following them on Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, any social media, could be anything, but you're keeping a very close watch on this person, and you're trying to manifest them. It's like you want this person to come back to you, and you want things to get better in this relationship. Okay, some of you, I feel that maybe you are being manipulated by somebody else in your family. Now this could be one of your parent, your mother, father, I don't know, it could be anybody, but I do see you being manipulated, Virgos. Okay, now this could be their energy also. Maybe your person is being manipulated by somebody else, or this could be your. For most of you, I feel somebody in your family is trying to manipulate you. Okay, see, you want to meet them, you just cannot live without this person, Virgos. Okay, you cannot, you're missing them, you regret going away from them, you regret not talking to them, you regret the distance that has come between both of you. Okay, so I do see that you both are going to meet very soon. That's your wish, and I think that is going to happen. Okay, you're going to meet, talk, discuss, and that is what I feel. I see you both having heart-to-heart conversations with each other very soon. Alright, so what are the mutual energies? I will see what are the mutual energies. Mutual energies. We have the Eight of Pentacles, reverse. I think the things have come to a point where you both are trying to ignore each other, or it's like, even if you want to go and talk to this person, you want to sort this, they want to sort it out, but the thing is that you both are trying to focus on work. You're trying to divert your mind. Okay, and so are they. You both are trying to divert your minds. I think you both should meet, talk, discuss, but you both are ignoring each other at this point in time. Okay, you are focusing on work and so are they, and this is like, okay, maybe you both are so much focused on work that you guys are trying to postpone this meeting or talks or whatever, you know. So let's see, what is this? Four of Swords, Seven of Pentacles. I told you. Some of you are literally thinking that, you know, I have done so much for this person, but what have I got? Peanuts. And you want them to show love to you. You want this person to come and talk to you, show love to you, or, you know, maybe embrace you in front of the world, or make your relationship public, or whatever it is, I don't know. But you want this person to invest in this relationship, and that's the issue here. Okay, that's the issue here. So we'll see if we have any guidance for you. What is this? Three of Wands. See, the wait game continues. Some of you are trying to divert your mind, you want to turn your back to this person and you want to move on, or you're just trying to ignore this person, that energy. Okay, now let's see if we have any guidance for my Virgos. Let's see what advice do we have for you. Okay, these two cards just popped out. Moonlight Goddess, repressed emotions, healing, reflection. Some of you, you're healing emotionally. Okay, you've had a lot of mental trauma in this relationship and you're trying to heal emotionally now, moving out into the world, doubt, fear. See, some of you, I told you, you're trying to focus on your work, but you're still doubtful. You are living in fear. You are with people, but yet at the same time you're living in fear. I do see doubt, I do see fear. Okay, so you don't have to be in this energy, guys. Just come out of your shell. Open yourself up. Life is too beautiful. With or without this person, doesn't matter. Okay, keep focused on your dreams. Some of you are going to get what you want. So with the Six of Cups, I do see reconciliation. So most of you, I feel that, as far as I feel, that you both are going to reconcile very soon. Okay, we have this here. It may take some time maybe, but I do see you both, you know, because I think you are going to talk to this person. I don't see them taking any action towards you. I see you taking action towards this person. Okay, so yeah, it could be them also in some cases, but for most of you, I feel this is you who may take action towards this person. So you both are going to come together, and I don't know, for some of you, I feel that you're going to achieve. Now this could be a promotion in your company, or this could be unexpected wealth, or some of you, I feel that you are very close to in achieving your dreams. Okay, maybe you're going to get something very soon. So I do see you getting something very soon. This could be a new job, a new business proposal. This could be a reconciliation, okay, whatever it is, but you are going to achieve something very soon. This could be a promotion. Let's see. What messages do we have? Okay, these 3 cards. Separation. I told you, you guys are not talking to each other. There is the separation between both of you. Express your love. I think you both have to sit and talk and discuss. Okay, one of you have to sit and talk. And reconciliation. Wow, you guys are going to come back together. I told you. Okay, for most of you, I feel that it is you who may go and approach this person first. Okay, religious factor. I told you something is coming in between. Maybe in some cases, I told you, you are being manipulated by your parent. Now this could be your mother, father, sister, brother, your cousin, I don't know. So okay, somebody is trying to manipulate you. Now this is for you, Virgos, not for your partner, but yeah, this could be for your partner also in some cases, because it's a general reading. Okay, so I do see manipulation somewhere. And express your love. I think you guys are not talking to each other and you are not happy. You both are not happy, so it's best as you both sit, talk, discuss. For the others of you, I think this will be a complete new person, because I do see you having options. You have options. You have 2 options. So if you feel that you're dealing with a complete toxic person, I think it's better you move on. Okay, move on, because you're going to find somebody you really will connect to. It is going to be a spiritual connection. Okay, I do see a spiritual connection for you. So there's somebody new who may enter your life, because, and I think that person is already there. In most of the cases, I feel this person has come. So maybe a new connection. Okay, so yeah, some of you, you're going to head towards a new connection. You're going to leave this person maybe, but that's only for some of you, not for all of you. So that is it, guys. I really hope this resonates, because see, we have this here, separation, reconciliation. This could be somebody from your past. For some of you, I feel that there's somebody from your past who may come back in your life. And or this, I told you, you have options. So maybe this is the person, someone from your past who may have entered your life. So that is it, Virgos. I really hope this resonates. So if you like my reading, please like this video. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe, do hit the bell button, so that whenever I upload such videos, you get instant notification. And that is it, you guys. You take care, be safe, bye.